Welcome to the wonderful realm of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a complete novice or someone with a bit of experience, this journey offers endless possibilities to explore your artistic side while creating functional and beautiful items. Woodworking is not just about making things. It's about connecting with nature, embracing sustainability, and honing a skill that has stood the test of time. With each project, you'll find a sense of accomplishment and pride as you transform raw materials into unique creations that can be cherished for generations. As you embark on this woodworking adventure, you'll discover the joy of working with reclaimed wood, an eco-friendly choice that not only reduces waste, but also adds character to your creations. Each piece of reclaimed wood tells a story, carrying the marks of its past while offering you the chance to give it new life. This guide will introduce you to simple yet unique wooden crafts that beginners can create for profit. Along the way, you'll learn valuable tips on marketing your products, understanding customer preferences, and cultivating a sustainable practice that resonates with today's eco-conscious consumers. So, grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's get started on this exciting path of woodworking. If you're enjoying this journey into woodworking, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content. Your support helps us reach more craft enthusiasts and build a vibrant community of creators. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest projects, tips, and tutorials, ensuring you never miss out on valuable insights. We encourage you to engage with us in the comments. Your feedback and ideas are what drive us to create even more inspiring content. So, stick around until the end of the video, as we have some exciting surprises and expert advice lined up just for you. Let's craft together and inspire each other to take our woodworking skills to the next level. Woodworking offers a unique blend of creativity and practicality, allowing beginners to explore their artistic side while also creating items that can be sold for profit. One of the most appealing aspects of woodworking is the opportunity to use reclaimed wood. This not only promotes sustainability, but also provides a rich source of materials that can be transformed into beautiful crafts. By starting with reclaimed wood, beginners can minimize costs and contribute to environmental conservation. When venturing into woodworking, it's important to consider the types of projects that are both simple and appealing to potential customers. First, think about making small home decor items, such as picture frames or wall art. These projects typically require minimal tools and can be completed quickly, making them ideal for beginners. Additionally, they have a broad market appeal, as many people are looking to personalize their living spaces with unique, handmade items. Another profitable avenue is creating functional items. Beginners can craft simple wooden coasters or small storage boxes. These items are not only practical, but also carry a certain charm that mass-produced goods lack. By focusing on quality and craftsmanship, beginners can attract customers who appreciate handmade products, thus creating a niche market for their crafts. Marketing is a critical component of turning woodworking passions into profit. Beginners should consider leveraging social media platforms to showcase their creations. Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for visual products, allowing crafters to share images of their work and engage with potential customers. By using relevant hashtags and participating in woodworking communities online, beginners can build a following and generate interest in their products. Marketing is a critical component of turning woodworking passions into profit. Beginners should consider leveraging social media platforms to showcase their creations. Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for visual products, allowing crafters to share images of their work and engage with potential customers. By using relevant hashtags and participating in woodworking communities online, beginners can build a following and generate interest in their products. Networking with other artisans can also be beneficial. Joining local woodworking clubs or online forums can provide valuable resources, tips, and support. Collaborating with other crafters can lead to exciting opportunities, such as joint projects or shared marketing efforts, which can amplify exposure and sales potential. Building relationships within the crafting community can also provide inspiration and motivation. Sustainability is a key selling point in today's market. Many consumers are increasingly aware of their environmental impact and prefer to buy from eco-conscious brands. By emphasizing the use of reclaimed wood and sustainable practices in crafting, beginners can attract customers who prioritize environmentally friendly products. Highlighting this aspect in marketing materials can help differentiate their product from those of competitors. Understanding customer preferences is crucial for success. Beginners should consider conducting surveys or informal interviews with potential customers to gather insights on what types of wooden crafts they are interested in. This feedback can guide future projects and help ensure that the products being offered meet the market demand. Tailoring crafts to customer preferences can significantly increase sales potential. Pricing is another important factor to consider. Beginners should research the market to determine competitive pricing for similar handmade wooden items. It's essential to factor in materials, time, and effort when setting prices to ensure profitability. Offering a range of products at various price points can also attract a broader audience and cater to different budgets. As beginners gain experience, they might consider expanding their product lines. Introducing seasonal items, such as holiday decorations or gifts, can help maintain interest and encourage repeat customers. Additionally, offering customization options, such as engraving or personalized designs, can create a unique selling proposition that appeals to buyers looking for one-of-a-kind gifts. Creating an online store can further extend reach and accessibility. Platforms like Etsy or Shopify make it easy for beginners to set up an online shop without extensive technical knowledge. This allows crafters to showcase their work to a global audience, significantly increasing potential sales. Clear, high-quality images and compelling product descriptions are essential for attracting online customers. Creating an online store can further extend reach and accessibility. Platforms like Etsy or Shopify make it easy for beginners to set up an online shop without extensive technical knowledge. This allows crafters to showcase their work to a global audience, significantly increasing potential sales. Clear, high-quality images and compelling product descriptions are essential for attracting online customers. Continuous learning and skill development are vital for long-term success in woodworking. Beginners should seek out workshops, tutorials, or online courses to improve their skills and expand their crafting repertoire. As they become more proficient, they can take on more complex projects, further diversifying their product offerings and increasing their marketability. In summary, woodworking offers a fantastic opportunity for beginners to create unique, handmade crafts that can be sold for profit. By focusing on reclaimed wood, understanding customer needs, leveraging marketing strategies, and emphasizing sustainability, beginners can carve out a niche in the market. With dedication and creativity, they can transform their passion for woodworking into a rewarding and profitable venture. Essential tools for beginners. Beginners should focus on acquiring a basic set of hand tools, such as saws, chisels, and sanders, along with essential power tools like a drill and jigsaw. Understanding how to use these tools safely and effectively will set a solid foundation for any woodworking project. Investing in quality tools, even at a beginner level, can make a significant difference in the outcome of your work. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found inspiration and valuable information in our woodworking journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends and fellow craft enthusiasts. Your engagement not only motivates us to create more content, but also helps grow our community of passionate woodworkers. Together, we can share knowledge, tips, and creativity, making this a space where everyone can thrive. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Let's continue crafting and exploring the beautiful world of woodworking together.